know what, if you are unique, if you are standing out, if you don't fit in, we are for you. You do that, you give them the biggest gift of life. Very clear about who's the enemy. Step 1, always have a mission. Whenever you're building a tribe, enroll people not into falling in love with you, but into falling in love with your mission. What's your mission? Like, if some of you here will know that my mission is to help women actually become so empowered that the feminine energy in the world starts to match the masculine energy. That's truly my mission in life, okay? And when women look at that and want to be a part of that, where I believe women need to start to help women get empowered, because on our own we are not going to be able to do this. Just one single person can't do this. We as a community of women need to come together. So enrolling people into a vision or a mission that they believe in is one of the best ways to build tribe. Secondly, once you have a tribe, never disappoint them. The more they need from you, the more you need to give to them, because you know what, if they have gifted you with their faith and surrender, you show up to be there for them. Remember, a servant leader is the best form of leader. Some people lead by being authority. I believe that the best leader is the one that actually truly shows up to serve. Thirdly, be very clear about who's the enemy. Okay, so one of the things very important to understand whenever you're building tribe is, this is who I'm for, this is who I'm not for. Apple did a fabulous job of this when they launched their products. They spoke about how they were for the cool people in the world. They did not want to address the official corporate, black blazer person. They were looking at kids on what do you call those skates? On those roller skates, and with their cool, that very Fido Dido, remember there was that character look. So they were approaching a very different segment, which was saying, you know what, if you are unique, if you are standing out, if you don't fit in, we are for you. So know in your tribe what's that words that you will be using to build the culture of your tribe. For me, vulnerability is showing up in your most authentic self without being scared of being shamed or judgment or any sort of negative opinion. So whenever I'm vulnerable, that means I'm going to share something that would normally have shame, judgment, opinion on it, but I am willing to show you that side of myself and willing to be in a space that may feel uncomfortable in the beginning, but it's the only way we can deeply connect with people. If you really want to connect with people, don't show them the facade that we put up. That is one, okay, fine, that's great. Today I'm in Maldives, that's fabulous. But if you come for my sessions, you will see me sharing stories of my life that I'll never share outside. I need that safe space to be able to tell you things that have happened in my life that I may not be the most proud of, or I may not be the most comfortable sharing. So vulnerability, whenever you want to deeply connect with someone, open up paths to them that you wouldn't normally open up to the world. And you will see that connection forming, that love forming. And I feel like so important when someone is vulnerable with you, always create safe space. Let them feel accepted and loved over and beyond whatever they've gone through. You do that, you give them the biggest gift of life. I think too many of us are wearing masks. Full time, these masks are covering all our pain, and therefore we're not able to clear the pain. I'm not saying you need to be vulnerable with everyone. Rather, I would say be rather picky, choosy. But have some people that you can really show your wounds, your scars, your pain to, because you know what? That's what makes us come alive. That's what makes us real. And real is 10 times more beautiful than personas or facades. Anytime you're doing tribe building, if you can follow that you are building a new community with a new belief system, with a new mindset, and offer that to them, works like magic. Just keep providing value, keep showing up, become very consistent. Give them different platforms to participate with you. Some of you come and meet me at Zoom, some of you in Instagram, some of you on Facebook groups, sometimes in so like that, in Success Gyan events. Keep showing up in different platforms.